Hi everybody, I hope you are all well and all keeping safe. Right, last time we ended with hold the ball, and this time we're going to move on to stroke the bird's tail. This includes ward off and a couple of other moves, and we'll perhaps look at the feet, where your feet work. Over the next few weeks I'm going to carry on working through the form, but in addition to that we have a request to look at punch over, so that's something we'll add. And if any of you have any things you'd like me to look at in particular, do let me know. Give me a call or send me an email or text me, just get in touch. Last time we ended up with hold the ball. We did circle arms, and then moved to hold the ball, and this time we're going to look at stroke the bird's tail. So if you turn to the front, step forward onto your left heel, and then move your weight forward into ward off. Now move to the left, whole body movement, notice, hold the ball, turn on your right toe, step to the right, and stroke the bird's tail. Okay, let's have another look at that. Your left hand should be, when you finish, slightly above your right hand, so about a finger width between your palms. So circle arms. It's a fairly short sequence, but okay. Hold the ball. We covered this, keeping your elbows out. Turn to the front. Step forward onto your heel. Cross hands, ward off. Now whole body move to the left and hold the ball. Drop your left elbow, and that puts your hand in the position that you need for the next move. Turn on your right toe. Step to your right, bring your right hand up. Your left hand doesn't need to move at this point, and that's basically it. So quite a short sequence, but we're going to leave it there this time. Next time we will look at Loi, pull down, Jai, and on. Before we go into single whip, which is a bit more complicated. So now we're going to look at the punch over. Best place to start this is left brush knee, which is where Joe is now. So to start with, turn your left foot out to 45 degrees, turn your left palm over, make a fist with your right, and then punch down, moving your whole body back, and then as you square it, step forward with your right foot, punch, that's it. Okay, we'll do that once more. Turn your left foot, turn your palm over, punch. Step forward with your right. Try to put your foot down at 45 degrees rather than square. That's it. And end up there. Okay. Now, you could turn to the camera, Joe, and we'll see where you end up. Because hand positions are important in this one. Okay, your left hand is extended, and it will in a minute make a block, and your right hand is on your hip with your elbow extended, and the reason for that is you won't be able to move properly to make the next move, but we'll come back to that that particular move. So if Joe could just demonstrate that once more, then we'll look at a variation, because this happens a few times and some of them are slightly different to others. Okay, so okay, that's fine. Now if we look at that, but what happens when you do that move in fan through back. So you make a fist with your right, you turn, left palm extended to protect your head as you go over, you step round, and then as you shift your weight, your right hand comes down and you're back in that position. Now what the difference here is that everything's coming from the top. So what you have to do next is punch up towards your palm and make the whole move again. Yeah, that's it. When you move in this one, imagine your arms or your hands are tied together with a piece of string. Perhaps hard to see from that angle, so maybe we could do that one again. Punch up. Okay, and that should give you a reasonable idea of how to do it. We can look at it again another day, but I think that's about it for now.